The waiter in the background with a whole ass turkey in his hand. How do you get away with this? Lindsay, will you marry me? Is that Lindsay? What are we looking at here? This is a marvelous photo, isn't it? Wow, what great detail this person has drawn up for us. The shock is fucking cool, huh? What's up, everybody? Welcome to a Theme Pics podcast. Hopefully you guys have a good time with me as we explore Reddit, as we explore the internet. I feel like this mic needs to come up just a little bit. That might work. Okay, let's jump right into it. Here we go. Admittedly jealous of every single person in all of these pics. All right, let's go through it. We've got some kids playing Monopoly on what looks to be Splash Mountain. Let's rate these. We've got a couple of them. Let's rate these. I'm gonna give the Monopoly game, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. They've got cards, they've got some money. I don't know how that money is bouncing. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Here we go, another. Lindsay, will you marry me? Is that Lindsay? That's probably Lindsay. So Lindsay gets off the ride, looks at the pictures, and sees that she's been proposed to, making the worst face imaginable. I wonder if Lindsay was happy with this decision. I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. Moving on. Oh, look at this. How do you get away with this? How does somebody get away with bringing a whole ass beer pong setup on a ride? Especially in Disney World. How did these guys get away with this? The ball is in her hand. It would have been insane if the ball was in motion. That would have made it an automatic 25 out of 10. Given the circumstances, I don't know how they got all this shit on the ride. I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. Great job, guys. Wow. Wow. These people are playing Jenga on Splash Mountain. How the F? These pieces had to be glued. There's no way, but very good, very creative. I think that's awesome. I'll give that an 8 out of 10. Look at these guys. Real serious dudes. 1 out of 10. These guys are having dinner. Wow. I was not going to rate it that high until I seen the waiter in the background with a whole ass turkey in his hand. Yo, that is hilarious. I'm giving that one a 10 out of 10 for the waiter alone. Look at this guy shaving on Splash Mountain all by himself as well. I'll give that a 2 out of 10. And here we go. We've got from 2008 Splash Mountain, we've got these two people playing an intense game of chess. I'll give that a 3 out of 10. Actually, you know what? We got to talk about this. We got to dissect this a little bit. The pieces. How are the pieces balancing? That's the thing. They're not. They're glued. But it is still creative. I'll still give it a 6 out of 10. My favorite one definitely is either this one right here for the waiter with the turkey alone. And I really like the beer pong one is pretty good. The Monopoly one I also like. I'm going to have to give it to my guy here. The waiter. Too funny. That was a good one. Good, wholesome content. It's Jurassic Park ride at Islands of Adventure. What is your post? Is it just a picture? This ride always takes a left here into the laboratory, and I always wondered what was on the right side. I'm gonna guess it's a maintenance bay. Let's see if people are saying anything. Boat storage / maintenance. I was right. I guess I am becoming a pro after all. I guess I know my shit. I thought I didn't, but apparently I do, or at least 25% of the time I do. Shit, I just closed out of the Theme Pics thread over here. I gotta go back. Here we go. This person says, do y'all know if this ride exists? What are we looking at here? This is a marvelous photo, isn't it? Wow, what great detail this person has drawn up for us. They must have used some really high-tech software to draw up this amazing piece of artwork to perfectly describe what they are talking about, what they are envisioning in their mind. Let's take a closer look at the fine details of this amazing picture. What the fuck is that, bro? What is that? What is this? Is this the station? Is this where they control everything? This is the control station. These are people waiting in line. We've got a major, huge pole. 2 people only. 2 people up here, 2 people down there. I'm guessing this thing is spinning like a fan. Typical flat ride spinning. We don't want it. We don't need it. Also, the operations of this ride are going to be horrible. We got 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Let's just say there's 2 people in the back of each. That's what, 4 and 4. We got 8 people tops per ride. And you're telling me there's only 3 people in line? Universal Studios Hollywood is looking for guides. I'm just going to say, could you imagine me as the guide in Hollywood Studios? Hey, over here, look, we got this shitty Fast and Furious ride is coming up right now. Nobody pay any attention to it. We'll hopefully get rid of this fucking thing in a couple of weeks anyway. Moving on, we got the Jaws set over here. Look at the fucking shark. The shark is fucking cool, huh? Man, that shit is wicked, bro, huh? I'm just going to cut that one. That one was horrible. I'm so sorry.